Namaste children, how are you? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. I'm also good here. Today we are going to see an interesting topic which is related to our country, glimpses of the past. This is the name of the lesson. Again I repeat, glimpses of the past. So the main lesson is to inculcate patriotism within us and to feel pride and proud about our country. Shall we see, children? The lesson describes about the events and circumstances that happened in the year 1757 to 1857. It starts with the time when the East India Company was very strong in India. You know very well, actually the Britishers, Dutch people and many other people came here for trading purpose. But after that, what happened? They were very strong. They laid a strong position in our India. The Indian princes and states were busy fighting with each other. They often sought British help, and British also took advantage of this to gain power and establish their rule in India. The social conditions were also not in good shape. Actually, the social evils like child marriage, untouchability, sati pratha, they were prevalent in our society. And the farmers had to pay heavy taxes. Think about how the farmers were. They were all dying because the Britishers were asking them to pay heavy taxes. So here comes a social reformer, Rajaram Mohan Rai, who worked a lot towards reforming society. British also passed many resolutions to spoil our India and our Indian industries. Lord Macaulay also brought a bill according to which the medium of education could only be in English. The main aim of the British was to prepare clerks who can assist them in the administration. And you know very well, what's our mother tongue? According to our regional language, we are learning. And also, we are learning English also to develop our skill. But here, the medium of education was English in 1757, but our people were not known that. By 1856, India had fully become a British colony. However, after the revolt of 1857, the British rule started to shake. The Indians revolted and struggled for freedom until 1947. That is, till we achieve, till we get freedom. And you know one thing, who were the freedom leaders who fought for it, who were leading? Especially Jhansi Ki Rani Lakshmi Bai, Mangal Pandey, many other leaders. They were leading the people towards our independence. So this is what we have seen in this lesson. So I have given you some worksheets, and here I wish to tell you one thing. The Sipais marched towards Delhi shouting slogans in favor of Bahadur Shah Jafar. The landlords also joined this movement. People circulated chapatis with the message that their native ruler needs their help. Similarly, a lotus flower was distributed among the Indian soldiers. Many rulers like Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow, Mauli Ahmadullah of Faizabad, Tandiya Topi and Peshwa Nana Sahib of the Maratha Empire and Kunwar Singh of Bihar, they were all joined in this. This was the beginning of India's freedom for struggle. So here, this is the learning point. United we stand, divided we fall. And also it teaches us that in order to be successful in anything we do, we need to be organized. Planning, organizing, then executing everything. So thank you children. Have a nice day.